Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting. If you wanna know why, please watch till the end. OMG, I have got acne, and how do I get rid of these dark spots or scars? The answer here is almond oil. Yes, almond oil. I have used Dabur almond oil. It's sweet and pure almond oil. You can use this or any other almond oil available in market, but it should be sweet and pure. We are not going to use the ordinary almond oil which we apply on our hairs. So the next question arises, how to use it. You can just use 4 drops of it. Apply it on your face. The directions would be just dab it on your skin. We are not going to massage it because this oil is so soft that most of the oil will disappear while we are massaging it. So the best approach is dab it on your skin. So you must be wondering what's the effect if I use it. So personally I have used it continuously without a miss for 7 days, and one side of my face does not have scars. Most of them are gone really. And you can also begin with it. You can begin with first 2 days and see if your skin is not getting irritated, though it should not happen because it's very soft oil. But before applying anything on your skin, we should do a patch test. So yeah, you can do that, and after that please follow the 7 days time period and let me know your views by commenting down below. I'm really very excited to hear from all of you. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. A lot more videos are going to come up, guys. I'm really excited. See you soon. Bye bye.